Right, so now we are almost done with the designing of the whole website. If you remember, we have created all these pages, and when you click on them, you are taken to each of these pages we have designed so far. All right, now tech tips, we have this beautiful blog here, and the contact me, we have this beautiful form showing up right here. And when you click on this logo, it takes you back to the home page. Now, what we want to do now is linking our buttons to their respective pages. We want these buttons to always take us somewhere. Now, if we click on it, nothing happens. So we don't want that. We want when someone clicks on these buttons, we want it taking them to the respective pages we want it to take them to. And this is actually pretty much easy and straightforward. All right, so let's do that. Now let's start with the get started button. So what we want here is when a visitor clicks on the get started button, we want that visitor to be taken to the contact me page. All right, so when they click on get started, they are taken to the contact me page, and there they can always fill their form. All right, um so let's go to Elementor. I'm going to open the website on a fresh page so that we can open up Elementor right there, and you want to click on edit with Elementor. All right, so now I'm going to select this button, and you can see where it says link, it is pretty empty. Now, what we want to happen when someone clicks this button is for them to be directed to the about page, right? Let's go to the about page. Sorry, I beg your pardon, the contact me page. So when someone clicks on this get started button, we want it to take them to this page, the contact me page. All right, so what I will do now is I'm going to copy the URL of this contact me page right here. So you want to highlight it, select copy, and now I'll go back here, select this button, and where it says link, paste URL or type, I'm just going to paste this link which I've copied, which directs you to the contact me page, and I'm going to select publish. And now if we go to the live website and I select get started, now you see this button takes me straight up to the contact me page. So that is basically how you link all these buttons to the different pages of your website. Pretty much straightforward, right? So let's link up the rest of the buttons on our page. So here we have tutorials. I'm going to come back here and select the tutorial page, copy the URL, and go back to Elementor, select this button, delete the hashtag here, paste this link right here, and you want to click on publish. And here we have go to courses. Now we actually don't have a page for go to courses, so I'm just going to we're going to leave that blank for now, and when we have a link we take it there. All right, so let's move to tech tips. So you want to go to the tech tips page, and I'm just going to copy this URL, and you want to go back to Elementor, select this button and delete the hashtag here and paste the tech tips URL and click on publish. Now let's go to the live website and see if this works fine. All right, so we have the tutorial button here, and when I click on tutorials, you see it takes me directly to the tutorial page, which works pretty well. All right, and right here it says about Day, and under this we have read more. We want this read more to take us to the about me page. So here someone can get to know more about me when they click on the read more button. So I'll copy this link, copy go to Elementor, select the read more, and I'm going to paste the link here and select publish. And expert guidance, we want this taking people to a separate link, and this link actually, so this button that says expert guidance, we can actually lead it to the tech tips page. So I'm going to go to the tech tips page, copy this link and go back and select this and paste it right here. And you can always do the rest of the buttons on your web page, and I hope we get the hang of it. So that's basically how you can add um these links to this button and make sure that they lead somewhere. So let's click on publish and make sure that these buttons now works fine. And I'm going to select get started, and you can see this works pretty okay. All right. Now let's change this and make sure that it also leads to the contact me page. So I'm going to select this, copy this, and paste it right here and select publish. All right. Going to click on reload, go back home, and now all of our buttons and are pretty much linked to their various pages. All right, guys. So that is how to um, link your buttons to the respective pages of your website. It looks a complicated thing initially when you think of it, but it is very straightforward, just like you've seen. And that is it.